There are two things that you will need before you start downloading your presets. The first one is Lightroom. The Lightroom Mobile app is free for anyone to download. And the second thing that you will need is an app to unzip the files for the presets. I've downloaded Zip Tool free. You can use any of the free ones. First of all, excuse all the unread messages. What I want to show you today is how to open up the zipped files from the presets. So what I'm doing is just scrolling down to the email I sent myself. You're going to open up that email and you're going to see all of the zipped folders with the preset names. So you want to click on that zipped folder, and what's going to happen is mine opens up into my Google Drive. It says file not supported. So what you need to do is you need to click on the top button and then scroll, and it is going to say open with. You want to open it with a zip app that I've already downloaded. So I downloaded Zip2Go. And what it does is it brings all of these files into Zip2Go, and then you can go through individually and unzip them into Lightroom. So you'll click on one of the files here. I clicked on the bottom one, and you're going to go open with and then slide over to your Lightroom app, and it's going to open up or launch your Lightroom. So you want to launch Lightroom now. And then mine opened up to an old picture that I was using. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your recently added folder or your library. I always go back to recently added because that's where all the files you recently added went. So I click on recently added at the top. I'm going to click on that file, airy and bright, the bright filter, and then click the three dots at the top, and you want to click create preset. So here's where you're going to put in your preset name. I also have created a preset group. So underneath that, it'll say user preset. I have created my own presets called Pretty Presets, but this is where you could go in and create your own bundle. So if you wanted to create pretty presets, you could add them there as well. And when you're done naming it, you're going to press the check mark at the top. And now you're ready to use the preset. So you can go back into your folders, all your photos or your recently added photos, and just grab any photo that you want. I've grabbed one from my recent trip to the dermatologist. So you can open up any image that you'd like. And then down at the bottom, you're going to scroll all the way over to the preset section. Yours might not say pretty presets. Yours might say something else. So you can click on that and select the group that you want it to be in. So whether it's user presets or pretty presets, and then you can just go through and start clicking on the different filters to see the look that you like best. So what you will do is you will do this for every file in the zip file. So if you go back to your Zip2Go, you have to do this for every file, and then they will all save into Lightroom. So all of those files there, you want to make sure you do the same process and add them into Lightroom.